Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the M42 from Xtrfy. Now, I got this mouse, but I also have another one from Xtrfy, which is the M4. The M4 is the older one. What happened to my other one, my M4 Retro, was the USB was acting up. So like when you plug it in, a new USB device, your computer makes that sound like da-da-da. Well, mine's kept on doing that, even though the mouse is connected to the computer, and it's already been past 1 year already, so I got rid of it because it was not going to work. So I decided to go with the M4, but I also want to try the M42. I was going to try the Zyrail, but honestly, I am not a fingertip person or clock grip person. I palm my mouse. So let's get going with the unboxing with the M42. Now the color options that come with, as you see in front of you, comes with black, white, retro. If you're somebody who remembers Nintendo when you play Duck Hunt with that gun, that's the color you will get with that mouse, which is called retro, which is, I was gonna get it, but I don't want to get it and I don't like the mouse and I have to return it. So I'm just playing it safe. So I just picked the black to see what happens. If I like it, maybe I'll get it, but for now I'm gonna keep with this one. Also, another thing that really interests me that not other companies does this is that you can actually no, I take that back. With the opponents you can change the back to different colors, but what Xtrfy is doing right here, you can change the different types of humps you want. So let's open up this bad boy right here. And what's the awesome thing about this with Xtrfy, you get those good keycaps that you can put on your keyboard if you want, which mine is not compatible because I have a wireless keyboard from Logitech. So this is the hump that comes with. This is a slim one, I believe. And let me get this out of the way. So this is how it looks. See how it fits in my hands. Ooh. No. Holy beep. This thing fits like a glove? No. So right here, you just lift this, and it's magnetized as well. You can change the different types of humps. I'm leaving to this one because I like to palm my mouse, which is great. Now let's do a quick sound test. Don't let that button right there fool you. That's not a DPI changer. That's just, you could change the lighting effects and also change the brightness, I believe, as well. So this is your CPI changer right here. This is your polling rate switch, which is awesome. Now, the good thing about Xtrfy, and I really wish more companies can do this, is that they bring extra mouse fluid, which Xtrfy does bring extra mouse fluid for you. Now, if you find that it's still not smooth enough or not fast enough, you could put it does come with an extra mouse feet that you can put around the sensor if you want. So I'm gonna stand by. I'm gonna clean this out of the way, and I'm gonna plug this mouse in. I'm gonna change the colors and all that stuff. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen, while I plug this thing into my computer. As you see, I already have it set up, ready to go. Now you can change the different color effects if you want to. Well, actually you can change the colors. But you also, this button right here, you can change different type of color, lighting effects. You can have it off if you want to as well. And it's crazy that this mouse, 60 grams, and it's light, and I could palm this. This really puts a smile on my face, and I cannot wait to play games. So, end of the video right here. I hope you find this video helpful. Until then, I am signing off. Any questions you want to ask them down in the comment section, I will answer them as soon as possible. I am signing off. I'm gonna play video games. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.